Have you ever had one of those experiences where you go to the shops to get a few items and then something else on the shelf catches your eye and like a magnet you're drawn to it? This was one of those products. I think it was probably the packaging itself that first caught my eye. Very minimalist design. The product was clearly visible in the packaging and the information on the package was clear and concise. And the price was very justifiable for the use that I would put it through. So welcome to the unboxing and review of the safety cutter by Slice. So one of the first things that caught my eye on the packaging was the no more scissors sign. In fact, this probably sealed the deal on buying this item because I do not like opening boxes with sharp scissors or sharp cutters, so this seemed like the perfect item to replace those things. An item that I didn't even know existed. This got me a little bit curious about the company, so I visited their website and realized that they make quite a few different products and that some of them are award-winning. If you would like more information on their products, I will leave a link to their website in the description of this video. This cutter is actually one of the first tools that the company designed, and it remains one of their most popular bestsellers. Now let's have a close-up look of the product and some of its features. So we'll start off with the non-slip finish. The cutter is made out of a rubberized compound that grips nicely to the skin and feels safe to use. There is also a small magnet built into the cutter so that it can be placed onto magnetic surfaces for storage. And the clever designers also put a keyhole in it so that it can be attached to a key ring for transport. The key feature of this cutter is of course the blade. It's made out of a microceramic material and is deemed finger friendly. And the blade is designed to be non-sparking and non-conductive and chemically inert, which means it shouldn't be prone to any rust. The cutter is of an ambidextrous design and therefore can be used either left or right-handed. The cutter is also super small and light, measuring at 61 by 31 by 5.5 mil and weighing in at only 8.4 grams. The cutter is designed to cut through paper as well as plastic packaging. Now we'll have a quick look at the cutter in action. The instructions that come with the packaging say to hold parallel to cutting surface and do not hold at an angle. And the instructions on the company's website say to keep the bottom of the cutter flush against the cutting surface. So that brings us to the end of the unboxing and quick tryout of the safety cutter by Slice. I hope you enjoyed it and got something out of it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love you to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content from me. Thanks for watching.